Hello guys, I'm Shubham and you are also watching my YouTube channel A to Z with Shubham. Just for information, you want to learning programming concept as well as software installation and other technical skills. So just you can subscribe my channel and also visit at least one time on my channel. So guys, in that specific video, we can learn how to use the Bruno for API testing as well as how to use it to fetch the data from the API. So before the starting that, so here are some information about the Bruno. So what is Bruno? In the context of API testing, Bruno is an open source, Git friendly, offline first API client designed to be a modern alternative to tools like Postman. So Postman is one of the best tool for API testing as well. So nowadays, Bruno is trending for API test alternative to Postman. Same as it is, Postman is a API tool, API टेस्टिंग टूल जो कि आपको API टेस्टिंग में बहुत सारी मदद करता है जो कि एज अ सेम पोस्टमैन सर्कस ते काम करता सो second one is Bruno is a free offline tool used for API testing. It lets you send requests to API, check their response, and write test using JavaScript. In the Bruno, also you can check the API response as well as API के साथ खिलवाड़ कर सकते हो आप जैसे कि एडिट करना इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले करना एज वेल एज उसमें इंसर्ट करना ये सारे ऑपरेशन आप या फिर तुम ब्रूनो के साथ कर सकते हो so all your data is saved in simple text file so you can easily share that and track changes in it so simply ब्रुनोची फाईल जी आहे ती तुम्ही ॲज अ शेअर पण करू शकता बहुत सारे युजेस या ठिकाणी तुमचे ब्रुनोचे आहेत. त्यानंतर आपण पाहू की after that we will see here how to use the Bruno for API testing. Before that, if you don't know how to install it, so simply you can just visit on this YouTube channel and simply learn there how to install Bruno. The video is also present on my YouTube channel. So simply I am show you here how to install it. So just you can go on Google and simply click search here Bruno download and click on very first link and just you can select your Windows system, sorry, operating system here, Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. So simply my Windows operating system is Windows, so simply I'm select the Windows here and simply click on the 64-bit operating system here. So simply click on download. Ju- Simply after the clicking on download, the download is automatically started and after the download is completed successfully, then you can move into the download folder and simply double click on that and installation is automatically started and you can just install following this instruction and after the installing you can able to see this type of icon Bruno icon in your desktop so simply double click on that for open the Bruno application and if you open this so you can able to this kind of interface Bruno home interface there are a lot of options present here so the main option there are three main options. First one is a create collection, which is used also used for create a new folder in Bruno. This is open collection, which is also used to open the existing Bruno folder in the Bruno application. And this is import collection, which is also used for import the another folder from another place. So here the lot of option here also collections, edit, view, window, help there are a lot of options present here. So simply these two options are important for ourselves. So I want to just click on create collection for create the new folder, and you can enter here the folder name. So I'm entering simply demo folder name A to Z with Shubham. This is the rule for folder creation, and you can select the location, and after that you can select the location of the storing the Bruno folder. So simply I want to select the desktop folder. So after selecting the desktop, just click on select folder, and after that you just click on create folder. After the creating folder, we can able to see here the your folder is successfully created, and then click on that, and then you can able to see this type of interface. And after this pop-up is open, after that you can just click on save button, and after save you click on save button, you can just see here the folder is open successfully, and here the documentation page home page of the Bruno. After going on this page, we are just click on this plus sign. After clicking that, so this pop-up will be open, and enter here your request name, seed, sugar, and also enter here your API endpoint, API URL. Here are the some basic APIs which is created with me, which is also created by me. So here are the demo URL. You can just open the terminal with control plus backtick and just fire here command to start the page node index. And you can also see here the page live now. So you can just click on that with control button. So you can see here the page for the college admission process is live. So simply copy the this endpoint, control C, and paste it in the Bruno here. So this is the our first URL. So simply after pasting this URL, simply click on create button. After create, you can see this type of interface. This is the demo URL, and this is the trigger for fire the this URL, hit the this URL. So simply click on that icon, that bar, and simply you can see here the result is occurred here. So after that, I'm explaining you what is the meaning of that options as well as that options, how they can used in your API testing. So for make your API testing is more suitable, more resultable. So first option is param. Param means parameters. Here you can also add the parameters with clicking add param. So you can here add the single param such as name as well as add their value. यहाँ पे देखो ये पैरामीटर ऐड हुआ है, ऐसे तुम यहाँ पे पैरामीटर ऐड कर सकते हो as well as next is body. What is the meaning of body? So you can just insert the any kind of value, PPA value. You can just simply pass it into the body. So there are a lot of types of body. So there are form type as well as raw type and other type. There are three main category of body, and into that there are form two types. Raw is four type as well as other is two type. So most of the time we can use here the JSON. JSON stand for JavaScript object notation. Now what is the way? for insert it. So simply open the curly bracket here and provide the key with the double quote as well as colon and value into the double quote. This is the way to pass the body in the JSON. So then I'm explain what is headers. Headers, there are a lot of headers. You can also see headers here after the trigger request. Here are a lot of users like X powered by as well as access control allow origin, access control allow methods. There are a lot of headers. This is headers. We can also pass here content type, content type, content type, application, JSON. This is the demo. So you can also pass here. Then we will see what is auth. Auth stand for authentication. In authentication, there are a lot of types such as AWS, SIM, V4, basic auth, bearer token, and blah blah blah. So most of the time we can use the bearer token and select the bearer token and simply provide the value of bearer token here. So this is the value, demo value, जो कि आपको सिक्योरिटी की पर्पस यूज कर सकते हो या फिर बेरर टोकन or then here are the where stands for variable. You can also add the two type of variable. First is pre-request as well as second will post request. So then is script stand for JavaScript. So you can also write here any type of JavaScript. It's sorry, in JavaScript it can be used as an integer. This is the JavaScript. So you can also write the JavaScript here. This is the pre-request means before the execute the request and post request means after the execute request, the script will be executed. So this is the script. So what is assert? Assert means validate. If you want to do the some validations in your request, so you can just write the your code, your value in the assert. So simply this is the demo name equals to Shubha. So you can also save the request with Control S and also fire the request, and you can also see the cert result in the test. You can see here the test is failed. This is demo request. So then what is test? Test means you can also write test here. This is test. Then what is response? Response is also known as the page to data from the your endpoint. This is a response. So then what is headers? Header stands for the extra additional information about the endpoint and your request. So what is timeline? This is the brief information and introduction with your request as well. So what is test? This is the test result of assert. So this is test result of assert. So what is 200 and okay? This is the status code. There are a lot of status code present in your API request. I'm showing you what here what are the status code in APIs. You can see here a lot of status code like 200 means okay, 201 means created, 204 means no content, 201 means moved permanently, 204 means not modified. There are a lot of codes here. You can just learn. You should be learn this. So this is status code. This is time which is required for trigger the this particular request. And this is the size of file. This all options which is most important and which is valuable for your request to make correctly. So this is all about this option. Before the seeing these all options, we can see here the local request here. So after that, now I will see you the live request, means live endpoint. So simply we can go on the Google and search here demo API endpoint for testing. Sorry, if the network is disconnected, simply connect. I will connect it. So wait for a minute. Sorry for that. So successfully created. Proxy can be disabled. Okay. Now it should be work. So it's for testing. So simply what is it connected? Is it connected? Yes, it is connected. So why this is happen? Wait for a minute. Sorry guys. Sorry for that. Okay. Save. Okay. I think now it should be okay. Okay, yeah, done. Perfect. So simply click on the first URL. Simply you can able to see here. This is the live API endpoint. So simply click on that, and this is the data. So you can simply click on that checkbox for pretty field. So simply copy this link, Control C, and then again go into the Bruno and simply give the name here request demo live API test. So you can also able to select the methods of here. There are a lot of methods like get, post, put, delete, patch, option, heads. These are the methods of the API testing and API creating. So simply it is, I think it is get method. Yeah, you can see here it is get method. So simply I select the get and also paste it request and sorry endpoint here. So simply then create on click button. So this request is simply created. After creating request successfully, so simply you can click this arrow, this right hand arrow. So I will simply click on that, and you can see here the result is occurred successfully. So this result and this result can be also same. ये देखिए यहाँ पे सेम ही रिजल्ट occurred हुआ है. So after that we can perform the post API request. So simply and click on post request. So this is URL for that. So just I will copy it, Control C, and create another request with name as post request, and simply click here method with post and simply paste it endpoint here. So simply I will create it. So जब भी आपको एक पोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है तभी आपको बॉडी पास करना पड़ता है, और इसमें से ये देखो ये जेसन बॉडी है. आई विल कॉपी इट and simply select from here the JSON and simply paste it here. So जब भी आपको पोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट ट्रिगर करना पड़ता है तभी आपको एक बॉडी पास करनी पड़ती है, और वो बॉडी ज्यादातर जेसन में होती है. सिंपली this body copy and paste here, and simply I will save it. So after saving, I will just click on that arrow. So after triggering request, you can able to see here the result is occurred successfully. And this result is also same. You can see here. So here is a this type of way to test the API in the Bruno. This is the best application for API testing. This is all about the Bruno. So if do you like the video, please subscribe the channel as well as like the video. So your motivation and your support for me is more important for me to upload more and more video. So please like, and once again, thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We will see you again in next video. Thank you so much.